best segments of the week, The Law and You, on Saturday morning right here on Eyewitness News. You can tell we are fired up for legal advice on a December weekend. Gentlemen, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, got to give you the proper introduction.
Dave, this smells like Christmas.
It does.
What is it?
It is
Christmas in a cup.
special Christmas blend with all sorts of secret ingredients for the holidays.
I think it's eggnog.
Well, it could be. We'll leave that to our imagination at this point. All right, here's our question this morning. We want to get some legal advice here for Dale in Parsons. Dale says, my best friend and I were driving and he dropped his cigarette and ran off the road and hit a tree. I broke my arm and haven't been able to work. I don't want to sue him, but can I sue his insurance company? How can you help Dale out here?
You know, Dale, it's a great question. It really is, because, you know, people, this happens quite a bit, and people think, boy, I don't want to sue my friend, or I don't want to sue my neighbor, or, you know, whoever was driving the car. You technically are suing your friend. However, your friend has car insurance. That's what they've paid for in the event that they are negligent. Obviously, dropping your cigarette, not paying attention to the road, running off the road and hitting a tree, he was negligent. So the money to compensate you for this is not going to come from your friend. It's going to come from his insurance company. That's the purpose of, you know, really the purpose of insurance. So really good, you know, good question. I mean, technically you're suing him, but the money is not going to be coming from him.
Yeah, just sue him.
Just sue him.
It's easy. Ed's right, though. A lot of people they wrestle with this. They'll call us up and they'll say, hey, you know, I don't want to sue my friend. It's very, very common, but at the end of the day, you know, you're out of money from work, you have pain and suffering, you have a broken arm. He has insurance for that exact purpose. Remember that. That's why he purchased it, because he's being a financially responsible driver. He made a mistake. It wasn't on purpose. You know, you should recover. So, I mean, a lot of people do this. They wrestle with it, but at the end of the day, that's what it's there for. That's exactly the reason he has insurance.
All right, so our viewers who are in a tough spot like this and have a question for you, how can they reach you?
And the other thing is, too, is you can also tell your lawyer when you're going forward, you don't want to go beyond his insurance. That's the other thing. But if you want, you have questions, call us 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
But really good question today.
Yeah.
And if you have another question like this, put it on our Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Google Plus. We're on LinkedIn. We're on them all. We'll do our best to answer it in an upcoming segment.
Yeah, stop in the office for a little eggnog. You guys will take care of any questions.
Loaded
I
with
bet you do.
Loaded.
All right, Results Matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.